I read an article by M.J. Akbar who said Kamala Harris got 93% votes in Washington, D.C. And Trump only got 7% votes. Now, but America is not Washington, D.C. And Delhi is not India. That is the point I want to make, that in our India, we have to keep our languages, whether it is Konkani, whether it is Odisha, whether it is Tamil, all this, our Marathi, we have to keep these languages thriving, and only then India will thrive.
Literature is something, is actually enriches our mind. It may be somebody else's experience, but that experience that comes to us in the form of a story, therefore we actually can read it with an interest, and that actually enriches not only the literature, for sure that definitely enriches that, but also own mind and experience.
तर पानाचेर 2-3 पॅराग्राफ तरी असले आशिल्ल्यान म्हजेर कलकल आयलो आनी हें म्हज्यान जायत काय अशें दिसपाक लागलें. पूण कॅनॉट हो शब्द डज नॉट एक्झिस्ट म्हणून सांगपी हांव ह्या काणयाच्या पुस्तकाक पळोवन वचूंक शकचें ना हें बी म्हाका खबर आशिल्लें. हांवें पोटतिडकीन म्हणचे परस तिडकीनूच ह्या पुस्तकाचो अणकार करपाक घेतलो. डॉक्टर मृत्युंजय सारंगीच्या तिडकीन दर पॅराग्राफाचे कुडके करून मागीर कोंकणीचो आत्मो तातूंत घालून हांवें ते पॅराग्राफ ट्रान्सलेट केले.
I think if you read these stories or any other stories which you like and which touches your heart, it sends a wave of blessings to the person who has written them. It is Madam Batikar or it is me. I'm sure the waves will travel through air and will touch our heart.